Hey, I'm Nico with Blue Demon. Let's get it. Hi everyone, I'm Nico, here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we're going to talk about arc chills, beanie, and do-rag. Boom. Not your ordinary welding beanie, the arc chill keeps you cool when work gets hot. The arc chill's beanie is the same setup as the do-rag. Now I will demonstrate the steps to set up the arc chill beanie. Saturate or soak with any temperature water from any water source. Squeeze out the excess water. Shake to activate and wave every 20 to 30 minutes to keep it cool. If it begins to dry out, simply add water and shake again. Arc chill has already had an antimicrobial bath to help prevent mold and mildew. Cooling lasts for hours, no refrigeration is ever needed. All right, let's get to welding. If you need to wash a beanie, machine or hand wash separately with mild soap or detergent. When finished using your beanie, simply fold while moist and place into your Ziploc bag. Hey, thanks for watching. Check out BlueDemonWelding.com to find a Blue Demon dealer near you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you ASAP.